Hi there, Rob from Top Affiliate Marketing Program. Today I'd like to discuss with you the best gardening affiliate programs and 5 ways that you can earn money. I do want to tell you up front that you need a website to promote these affiliate programs. I will get into that a little bit later, but it is a necessity. So if you're into gardening, my wife likes gardening and it's very popular and probably always will be. That's why it's an evergreen niche. But people like to do their own gardening for different reasons, hobby, grow their own food, etc. The specifics of gardening are that most people like being outdoors and growing their own plants, and some of the gardening tools that you would need are listed here: shovels and spades and compost mulch, pesticides, garden hose, fencing materials, planters, garden tools, fertilizer, topsoil, seeds, plants, shrubs, bushes, and the list goes on. There are many other aspects of gardening that you can add to these. And as you can see, it looks beautiful when you're planting flowers. So I want to reveal to you 5 of the best gardening affiliate programs for you to review and promote. The best thing you can do is learn how to build a website and get traffic first. But you want to be focusing on the duration of the cookies, specifically what the program offers, affiliate marketing tools that are provided, commission rates, application process, and of course payment terms. So I want to show you the 5 programs that I chose for you so that you can promote and make money. There are many other programs you can join, and I'll show you how you can do that at the end. But basically, with a gardening affiliate program, you just join the program and you promote the gardening products, and you get a commission for everything that you sell. And the commission rates vary anywhere from usually a low of 4%, and it can go up to 25% usually. You want to look at the cookies as 30 days, which means if people don't buy on your article and they come back within 30 days, you get credit. So the basic thing that you want to do here is you want to help people who are looking to solve a problem, like anything else. And gardening may or may not be a problem for people, but they are looking for products. Some of them know what they're looking for. Some may need help. It's your job to help them, because that's the best thing that you can do. Help the person solve their problem. People willing to spend money to do it, and you'll be successful. Always think of the buyer first. What do they want? Get into their head and give them what they want, and then the money will come. So you can solve their problems and you promote all these programs, and there are a lot more than just the 5, as I said. So let's start out with Botanical Interests. This was founded in 1995. They have the highest quality seed possible, and the reason is because the owners felt that the information wasn't properly given to the gardeners on the seed packets. So their goal was to provide more detailed information so that it would create a much more unique and improved seed packet that would include landscape ideas, garden history, fun facts, organic gardening, and so forth. Writers and garden bloggers will earn a 15% commission. That's pretty good. Other approved sites will earn 5%. Brick and mortar stores that carry the seeds, they can get up to 35%, which we're not interested in. We're interested in affiliate marketing. So like I said, 15%. The cookies are 45 days, and that's pretty good. So it's managed by Share a Sale. You'll join Share a Sale, and they will take care of everything for you. Material marketing is usually the same: banners, creatives, text links, keywords. Each program will probably differ a little bit. You can join their program right here. Next up is Supercloset. This is really a cool website. I mean, they make automated grow boxes and these grow systems, and they're tremendous. And they've got a very high top rating. I guess A plus by the Better Business Bureau. You can't get higher than that. And this is what you can grow. You name it, fruits and vegetables, herbs, spices, and they offer grow rooms, equipment, cabinets, hydroponics. It's a pretty good company to join to make money with. They've won several awards. Their commission rate is 10%, and the cookie is 60 days. And you can join their program here. Next up is Bootstrap Farmer. They offer affiliate marketers the opportunity to promote their inventory of their greenhouse products, which includes grow lights, grow bags, wiggle wire, melon nets, greenhouse kits, you name it, they have it. They're adding new categories and products on a regular basis, and they're offering 10% commission. Their cookies are 15 days, a little short. They offer free shipping on all orders over $25. And you can join their program here. I did want to mention again, you need a website to promote these affiliate programs, and this is the best and only way to do it is right here. I'll be right by your side along with all the other members and owners of this website building company, and you'll learn how to do this right the first time, and that's how you'll make a decent amount of money on this program or any other program you're interested in. Next up is the Budgrower. It's another company where you can do organic home growing. They have the perfect system for you. You can grow and harvest just about anything, small price. So you order, because it's easy to just order it, and they'll ship it to you fast within 2 to 4 days in one box, and then you can start growing. You're on your way. You have the highest products and quality soils and excellent customer support. And then you can harvest your results. Take pride in your grow from start to finish. And you can join their program here. Their commission rate's 11.5%, cookie duration 30 days. And last but not least is Horse Tools. You really want to get down and dirty and into the garden. If you're really into gardening, Horse Tools has everything for you, including the supplies, garden tools, seeds. Again, excellent customer service, same-day shipping, and product support. And they manufacture and sell high-quality gardening tools for people who like to grow their own food. So if that's what you like to do, this is the program for you to represent and make money with. The commission rate is 10%, cookie duration is 30 days, and you can join their program right here. Next, on how to search for affiliate programs in your niche. So if you take these 5 best gardening affiliate programs that I just discussed, and you can promote them to make money, but make no mistake about it, there are many other affiliate programs in just about every niche. Amazon is the biggest player in the market, but their commission rate payout is not great. I feel share a sale is about the best. So you can join share a sale, like I mentioned, back here in any one of these, and they'll take care of everything you need to do. So if you're looking to find a niche, you would go to Google gardening plus affiliate programs, and they will all start to come up for you. There are many other programs, so don't rush, because there are plenty of programs. You want to choose a top quality program that has an adequate commission payout, solid testimonials, and it will help solve the problem of the prospective buyer in the niche. Do not promote inferior products. That's going to ruin you. And it's solid when it comes to you getting paid. So you must apply to each program in order to promote their products. Now, you don't want to be rejected, okay? They're going to ask you the name of your website. That's why I said you need a website. What are your traffic numbers? What's your plan in promoting their products? And the reason you want to join. You want to give them a professional answer, because they want to know why they should put their product in your hands. So, at the end here, I just wanted to say that I think these are 5 of the best gardening affiliate programs, in my opinion, that will help you. There's an awesome opportunity that you could be trained for, guided. And this is the best affiliate marketing program in the world. And it's just one click away. You can join. Help is available 24/7. You don't need a credit card. It's free to join. And I did almost pass this up, and I'm so glad I didn't. I hope that you don't either, and you can get started below. I just wanted to say thank you for your time, and please click the like and subscribe buttons below, and have a great day. Take care. Bye.